Hey guys, welcome to DevTech Finance. In this video, we would be covering the topic Ackerman's CSR Model. This video is a part of Business Ethics and Corporate Governance module, so I recommend you to watch all other related videos to get a better understanding on the whole topic. Let's start with understanding this topic. So Ackerman's CSR model was founded by Robert Ackerman, who was a theorist and a philosophist. He analyzed the responsiveness of managers or executives towards the issues of society. So many businesses and corporates, when they run in society, they face various social issues. Now, how to deal with those issues, how managers and executives, the people at top level of company, how they deal with those issues, what should be the relevant steps, and how it goes by was studied by Ackerman, and it was presented in a theory form. According to him, companies tend to pass through 4 stages in solving any social issue. So he said that to solve any social problem, any social issue, a company generally tend to pass in broadly divided 4 categories, 4 stages. We will see what are those one by one. So here's a broader picture. First stage is of awareness, second stage would be of planning, third stage implementation, and fourth stage evaluation. So this is how the company goes by, starting from the very basic to the last level to solve any social problem. So what happens at each of these stages? Let's learn about that. So first is awareness stage. At this stage, the management recognizes the social problem or issues existing in society and acknowledges corporate obligation to deal with it. So many times what happens is that companies or factories set up nearby the residential areas, they produce harmful pollution which may cause damages to people living over there, their health. So how to understand that what is exactly my corporate responsibility? If I'm running a business, I'm taking something from society and I need to be obliged towards the environmental issue, towards the social issue. So first step is of awareness stage. A company or business must be aware about their social obligation, about their responsibility towards the society and not just the profit of the business. So first stage is obviously the awareness stage. Every business should be aware of their social obligation. Now policies are structured and communicated by companies to increase awareness. So at this stage, when businesses are aware of their social obligation, they frame policies and they try to communicate those policies to the internal stakeholders as well as the external. So to the employees as well as the public, they try to communicate those policies. Second is planning stage. After being aware about my social obligation and the problems happening in the society because of my business or my company, this stage would be of planning and analyzing. So at this stage, analysis is done to observe the issue and formulate strategy to deal with the problem. So at this stage, the management will try to observe the issue, what exactly is the problem and how we can deal with that. So for this very purpose, the management appoints specialists or experts. So specialists or experts in any particular field can tell in more appropriate manner about how to go about tackling any particular situation. So at this stage, experts are hired by the management of the company and they suggest about the strategies to be formulated to tackle the problem and exist in the society, being responsible towards the society. Then the third stage comes of implementation stage. This stage deals with implementation. So after the company has been aware of its obligation, after the planning has been done by hiring the expert, now the time comes when they actually need to implement whatever has been decided, formulated as strategy. So this stage, it integrates the policies along with the strategies formulated and helps in taking appropriate action to deal with the problem. And lastly is the evaluation stage. So after the action has been taken and the problem has been tackled out, now the company is socially active and it is understanding its obligation. So the last stage is that the company does not stop at that point of time. They keep on continuously evaluating to keep the situation under control, to be to be actively engaged in CSR activities, to help the public, to help the employees, to help all the stakeholders in an efficient manner, and also to take care of the environment. So evaluation stage is very important to keep a track of the situation, and whatever steps has been taken to keep that ongoing. So thank you for watching. This was all for this video. Do like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel DevTech Finance. Thank you all.